Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Pizza Hut app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and order a pizza. How do you actually go ahead and order a pizza from the Pizza Hut app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, let's go ahead and open up the Pizza Hut app. Once it's finished loading, you have to decide whether you want to do a carry out or if you want to do delivery. And so with that, on the top hand corner, you're going to see a drop down menu. This is where you can choose between carry out and delivery. In some cases, maybe you want to pick your pizza up, so you can actually type in your city and state here. Or if you want it to be delivered, you can also just type in your address here and then click on deliver here. Now we're going to choose delivery. So we're just going to use this old mock address. So we're going to choose deliver here. Then you're simply just going to shop for whichever pizza that you want. So you can browse between deals, pizzas, melts, wings, party of one, sides, pastas, desserts. So we're going to go ahead and click on pizza, and then we're going to go ahead and click on pepperoni, and then we're just going to go ahead and add it to the cart. Now, once you add it to the cart, we're going to click on the shopping icon, and then with it, we're going to go ahead and click on, I believe, where it says schedule for later, okay, just because this one here is closed. So if this was open, you could actually have it delivered now, but we're just going to click on schedule for later, and you can choose which time, schedule ahead of time, change the date, and click on schedule. And then afterwards, just make sure the summary total is accurate and then click on checkout. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Pizza Hut app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.